showing you a simple and creative DIY background which can be used for Ganesh Idols this Ganesh Chaturthi. Welcome to Sparklebox. This is Yamini, and if you want to try such amazing DIYs, then you must definitely visit our website sparklebox.com. You can find grade-wise art and craft kits over there. Grab some interesting kits and explore the creativity in you. Now, let's start our today's DIY. I'm sure you must have loved this. So give it a try yourself and share your work with us on Instagram by tagging us. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. I'll be back with another interesting DIY. Do share your thoughts about this video in the comment section below. See you all!